Well, finding pain relief support and improved quality of life is the goal of everyone dealing with an injury or disability. The Chanda Plan Foundation knows firsthand how integrative therapies can help many reach their goal. And here she is. Chanda Hinton-Likely is the executive director of the Chanda Plan Foundation, and she's here to share her experience and news about what's to come for the foundation. Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Share your story with our viewers first off, Chanda.
Yeah, so when I was 9, I was injured. I was accidentally shot in the back of the neck, so it severed my spinal cord between C5 C6. So a majority of my life was sitting in a wheelchair, which I still am today, but sitting in a wheelchair and consuming a lot of medications.
Right.
Got very, very sick when I was 21, bedbound, kind of on my deathbed pretty much. And when I found integrative healthcare to really be a source of savior to my life and being productive and proactive and preventative with my health care, which then allows me to be productive and preventative in my work, as well as my community and all these other things.
And you're helping others. You have created the Chanda Plan Foundation. Talk about why you created it and your mission.
Yeah, so with my story, that's not just my story. We started to hear that what I was going through a lot for a lot of other people. And so it was the right thing to do. It was the right opportunity for other people to be educated on disability and how those two, disability and wellness, could coexist. And so what our organization does is it provides access to those services at no cost to the individual, such as acupuncture, massage, chiropractic, adaptive yoga, adaptive exercise, and so much more.
And those are the integrative therapies that you're talking about.
Yes, yes.
And why? I mean, I guess it's not only physical, but also emotionally what you're going through. It's so important to have those integrative therapies.
Yeah, it's mentally, emotional, spiritual, all kinds of things. And I think it's critical that when you are living with a body that's going to be paralyzed for the rest of its life, looking at prevention of the things that you deal with having your spinal cord injury are critical for the longevity of your life and your well-being and your social environment and all those great things as well.
You are such a positive spirit with everything that you have gone through, and you're already paying it forward to others. Let's find out more about the important work the Chanda Plan Foundation does.
We forget about people with disabilities and what they're able to actually do to support the Chanda Plan. That's going to help all of those people with disabilities feel better about themselves, be able to go out and do some of the things that they didn't think they would ever be able to do.
It's really crazy to think that we've been around for 10 years. It's such a huge accomplishment. As soon as people start to hear about us and know about us, we just keep growing. So really excited about the new facility. We're adding chiropractic, nutrition, mental health, and primary care physician. I see somebody coming out of acupuncture and crying because she has no pain from somebody that was in a power chair that is walking again. That's what keeps me going, and those are the pieces of my work that I love.
Chanda, that gave me goosebumps. I mean, you went through such a tragedy and you turned it into such a blessing for not only you, but so many others. And you're growing. You have a new facility on the horizon.
Yes, so I talked about all the great things and services that we do now, but we're putting all of that underneath one roof. So what we're doing is we're adding primary care, behavioral health, and care coordination all underneath one roof. Because if you can imagine living with a disability, it's like so much complexity and so many different providers saying, do this and do this. But if you put all of them collaboratively under one roof and they're all working together for the end user, like that's the way healthcare should be.
Yeah, absolutely.
For us and for everyone.
I agree, absolutely. And you are actually hosting a big event to support the Let's Build campaign. It's going to be an incredible event. It's actually going to be emceed by Alexandra Reeve, the daughter of the late Christopher Reeve.
Yes, yes. So we're very excited about that. The Reeve Foundation is a significant supporter of our organization. We get funding on a federal level to support people on a national level, so a national level to support everyone. So having her be a part of our event is just this, it's this next like kind of seal of, you guys are doing the right thing. We're an organization that is endorsing the great work that you're doing of a population that we serve. So we're really excited to have her there.
Quickly, how can I get tickets and if I want to help the foundation?
Yeah, so tickets online, IamThePlan.org, and there's several ways to support our organization, volunteer. Obviously, we always love the donors because our funding goes to the people that we serve. So of our capital campaign, we're at a 3.6 of our 4 million. So we're looking for those donors to come in and help us end out the capital campaign.
We have some amazing Colorado and Company and 9 News viewers out there watching. I know you're going to get some help. If somebody's watching and wants to be a patient and they're inspired what you're doing for yourself and others, what do they need to do?
Yeah, so they can go on our website as well because it talks all about our programs. Of course, they can contact us. We have a program director that really supports them in navigating through all those very specific things about, okay, this is where I am, what do I start off with, and how to introduce themselves into the process and get those services at no cost for them.
Well, thank you for all the many blessings you're passing on. And you keep that beautiful smile going, girl.
Yeah, thank you.
The Chanda Plan Foundation works to improve the quality of life for persons with physical disabilities by providing them access to integrative therapies. Now, if you'd like to learn more about their services, please go to IamThePlan.org or call 800-766-4255. Let me give that number again. It's 800-766-4255. The foundation needs your help in their Let's Build campaign. So plan on attending the big event fundraiser gala on April 20th. Sponsorships and tickets are available for the big event online. Again, you got to go to IamThePlan.org/let's-build. Check it out. It's going to be an amazing event.